try to make this panel, or at least show how I go about doing it. So I know roughly I need this. I don't need this far down. Should come up a little higher. I should get my scissors first. They're much more forgiving than steel. Open this up here. Kind of get around everything here. I know I don't need try to make this exciting. Although I don't know how. All right, well, transfer this to paper. It'll go from paper to steel. Let's see how close it is. I don't think it'll be very close. I'm going to give it a little extra room because I'm not quite comfortable with what's going on. I like to try to give myself as much room as I can. Sort of what I got started. See how that works out. Alright, here's where you're going to watch the struggle. I'm trying to get this to this. But compared to the paper template, you can see this. It's not very happy. So, now we got to do a lot of bending. Not terrible, but you can see up here it's not working out very good. Oh yeah. We'll just have to deal with that. Alright, see, it looks okay. Not too bad. It's fitting good all around here. Pretty happy with it. It's here, you know, and if you look, it's probably about there, right around there. So it's pretty much, there's too much metal. You know, you can't push it down. See, I got it down here, but you got to tuck it. And I guess if you don't have any way of tucking it, you can cut like some slots, like slits, like just take the zip cut and just cut it and then push them down and then you can weld it over. I sort of had the means to shrink this, so that's basically what I'm going to do now. I'm going to take it to my hammer and shrink it up. Okay, well, this side of the shop is it is messy. But what I've come here for is that thing. I'm it's something I built. It's like a power hammer. It's pretty much just made out of junk I had lying around. I think that's like off of a Dodge Dart or something like that. That's where I got the diff. And then I narrowed it. I haven't actually finished it because the one side I wanted to put a brake so I can variable the speed of the hammer. But either way, I use it for shrinking. I wanted to get a big fancy something, like a big fancy power hammer, but never got around to it. So it's all built out of random junk that I had. Pretty much you hit the switch. And does its thing. So yeah. And then after I bang that thing up, I'm going to stab it in the English wheel here and smooth it out. So the idea here is I made the pattern. It's kind of how deep I'm going to go to shrink. You could do this all just with a hammer normally, but with the machine it's a lot faster. Mine leaves like crazy amount of tooling marks, but I'm okay with it because, well, it's what I got and it beats any other alternative I have. So now in typical fashion, I probably did it too much, but now I gotta go. You can see this is just ugly now. And I got a bit of a bulge, so I have to smooth this all out. When it comes to English wheels, I think this one's from Harbor Freight, but it works better than any other wheel I got. It's still got a lot to it. Not bad. I think I got too much up on top though. You can see it's kind of closed in. But we're going to test fit and see how it goes. Yeah, I still got to shrink some more. Still got some here. But I think I got a little too much in here. I'm gonna have to focus. This one needs a full swing. Guess I'll shrink that. I didn't shrink it. But this is the big one. I gotta shrink in here. These are too rounded right there. Now you see me do it, so I'm not going to show you again. You kind of get the gist of how it goes. Alright, let the fun begin. Oh, I'm sure there's some lead in there. And I haven't polished anything. Dang it. Be right back. So I'm grabbing my de-leading kit. So all the cutting I'm doing around there, this is what I'm actually doing, is getting rid of, cutting off the crappy unused steel that I have. So that's pretty much scrap, but now it's just a straight butt weld. There's still a little piece here, but it's because I haven't welded this down yet. There you go. That's all that stuff that was in there. More scrap. Alright, so here is what we all got done tonight. Ended up having friends over, so I didn't get anything done on my other truck. But that's no big deal. So you can see that panel's all in. The weirdness, it's all pretty good. Still a few little low spots and stuff, but I can dolly that out yet. But that's pretty much it for tonight. Yeah.